Well, hello there, friend. It seems like a little bit of a tutorial is in order. I am going to teach you how to do 3 digits by 3 digits in the way that I would teach it. So this is something that maybe your teacher, there's a cat, that maybe your teacher showed you, but I'm going to show you my way. So this is like the area model or the window. Remember when we used to do the fancy window and all that? So when you're doing 3 digit by 3 digit, I would suggest you start. Okay, I'm going to try my best here, because I'm working with one hand. But if you think of tic-tac-toe, if you've ever played of tic-tac-toe like this, remember tic-tac-toe, you set up like this, then you close this tic-tac-toe in a box. Whee! Sorry, working with one hand. Okay, you close the tic-tac-toe. La 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 la. Close it right here. Da, 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 da. Okay, good. So now you have a super, we're calling the mega fancy window. So it has 3 by 3, 3 rows, 3 columns. Let's take this first number and break it down into its expanded form. Remember expanded form, like the accordion? 473 would be 473. Remember that? And then 268 would be, oh my God, writing with one hand. 268. Okay? Now what you would do is that you would do the same thing that you used to do when you were multiplying with the area model with the smaller numbers. You would do 4 times 2 for this one. 4 times 2 is 8, and then count the amount of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then for this window, it would be 4 times 6, which is 24. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Sorry that my paper keeps moving around. Then for this box, it would be 4 times 8, which is 32. No zeros there, but there's still 2 zeros here. So 0, 0. Now, for the next one, it would be 70 times 200. So 7 times 2. That's 14. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 70 times 60. So 7 times 6 is 42. 1, 0, 1, 0. That's 2 zeros. Then 70 times 8, that's 7 times 8 is 56. Wow. 56 with no zeros there, but there's 1 0 there, so 0. Now, last row. 3 times 200, or 3 times 2 is 6. With the 2 zeros up there is 600. And then 3 times 6 is 18, but we have 1 0, so we put it right there. And then 3 times 8, which is 24. Now, if you remember what we used to do now we got to add all these guys. The big thing that you have to be worried about here is lining up your numbers correctly. I would suggest that you add column, 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 and then you add all those 3 together. So, for example, let's line them up nicely. This is 80,000. So that's 80,000 plus 14,000 plus 600. So we're going to add that first. That's the first column right here. Okay, so that's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6. 0 plus 4, 4. 8 plus 1, 9. So your first column is 94,600. Now we're going to add our next one. Okay, so that would be 24,000 plus 4,200 plus 180. That's 0, 0, 0, 0. That's 0, 0, 8, 8. That's 0, 2, and 1. That's 3, comma. Then it's 4 and 4, which is 8, and nothing here. So that's just 8. And then 2 plus nothing, 2. So now you have these 2 columns ready. Now is this last one, okay? 0, 0, 4, 4, 0, 6, 2. That's 8. 2, 5, that's 7, and then 3 and nothing, 3. So now we got to add these 3 big numbers that I came up with, okay? I'm going to write them on the other side. Let me see if I have a paper that I can write this is. Okay, I'm going to do it right on this other paper, okay? So the first one was 94,600. So 94,600. Then I had 28,380. So 28,380. And the last one was 3,784. 3,784. I'm gonna go here. Taka, 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 taka. Okay? So now I gotta add these guys. 0, 0, 4 is 4. 0, 8, and 8, that's 16. I carry 1. 1 and 6 is 7. 7 and 3 is 10. 10 and 7 is 17. Carry 1. 1 and 4 is 5. 5 and 8 is 13. 13 and 3 is 16. Carry 1. 1 and 9 is 10. 10 and 2 is 12. So your total should be 126,764. I'm going to go ahead and do it off camera to make sure this is right. And if it's not right, I'm just going to refilm the whole video, but hopefully I am right. Be right back.